class once again. Yeah, I think I just received, or I keep on receiving these messages from your friends asking me to teach on how to open the IDEs, how to create a project in order to get straight to the environment to start coding. So today I'm taking my time to do this tutorial. I'm starting straight away from this IDE, that Netbeans. The reason why I prefer you to use Netbeans is taking it back to C++. You see the interface of CodeBlock, how to use CodeBlock, the interface. I think the same interface is like the Netbeans, and a lot of developers also use Netbeans. So I prefer you use Netbeans. Netbeans, Eclipse, I think they look similar in their environment. The environment looks similar. So it's either you use Netbeans or use what Eclipse. IntelliJ, you see, IntelliJ, the way IntelliJ has been designed, it contains a lot of what features and then things. You see, so for IntelliJ, there, I prefer you when you upgrade yourself or you know more or you get to know much, then you move straight to IntelliJ to develop your apps and other things stuff. Okay, fine. So let us go straight away by opening our Netbeans IDE. What is our Netbeans? Yeah, I just put it in on a. I just put it. Sorry, I put it on my test bar. So this is my IDE. Let us open. So this is Netbeans 8.2. I'll put a description. Sorry, I'll put a link in my description so that you can download it. The Netbeans, you download it. So take this tutorial serious, because I think before you move straight to the environment to code, you should know how to open the IDE. You should know how to create a project. You should know how to do a lot of things before you get to the environment. Okay. So once again, when you open Netbeans IDE, this is how it looks like. When you open Netbeans IDE, this is how it looks like. For the landing page, this is how it looks like. You can see from here Netbeans, learn and discover my Netbeans. This is from Netbeans Netbeans company. Let me put it in that way. So in order to create a project, you just move straight away to a file. And before you create a project, let me tell you one thing. In Java, you can't go straight away by writing a code. You see, remember I told you that a Java contains a class, and that class is inside a package. You see, so for the first of all, you have to create a package and a class. Okay, but in Netbeans, when you create a class, the package will do what? Automatically be create. Okay, so you move straight away to new project. Click on new project, and then when you click on new project, don't write anything here. Don't write here, but rather select. It's already been selected, so select Java application, then click on next. When you click on next, here is the place that you are going to write your project name. Make reference to C++. In CodeBlock, before you open CodeBlock to code, you give a name to your project. So this one too, we are giving a name to our project. So let us use how to open Netbeans. Sorry, let me explain how to open Netbeans. So this is our project name, and this has been checked. Create main class. That's the in C++ making reference is the int main. So it will create our main class for us automatically. So you click on finish. So the moment you click on finish, our landing page or our environment or our workplace has been opened. So the last time when you open Netbeans IDE, this is the interface. You do you see the landing page. You click on file, you move to project, new project, you select Java application, you click next, you give a name to your application, then you click on finish. Your project will create automatically. Okay, fine, you have created a project. You see what I told you? Okay, in Netbeans, you see the moment you create a class of how to open Netbeans, our package has been created. You see, and a class will do what? Start with capital letter, and then the package will start with a small letter. But in default, a class always starts with what? A capital letter. All these things you see them, they are comments. All these things they are comments. All these things they are comments. Our int main in C++ in Java is probably started with main, and this is where all your code are going to be here. Your void main, this is all your code is going to be here. Let's say, okay, you talk about methods the next tutorial. Like for this tutorial, you have learned how to open the Netbeans IDE. You have learned how to create a class. So class, thanks for watching, and don't forget, I'll put the Netbeans link in my description, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to let your friend know much about Anitech Media. Thank you for watching, and our next tutorial will be on how to open IntelliJ or how to open Eclipse.